Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start with a clean, towel-dried scalp after washing hair. Gently detangle hair using a wide-tooth comb before applying product. Use 4 drops for a full scalp application if you have medium density. If hair is denser, increase to 6 drops, but avoid excess product. Section hair into 1/2 inch parts for precise application across the scalp. Work from the front hairline to the crown for consistent distribution. Keep the bottle upright between drops to maintain dosage accuracy and avoid spills. Dispense drops directly onto the scalp along each part line you prepared. Use your fingertips to gently press the serum into the skin rather than rubbing aggressively. Massage for 3 minutes using small circular motions to boost blood flow and absorption. Maintain moderate pressure that feels firm but comfortable and does not scratch. Concentrate on the frontal hairline and vertex areas if thinning appears there. Avoid rubbing into hair tips and strands. Focus only on the scalp tissue. Finish by letting the serum air dry for 5 to 10 minutes before styling. Use the serum 4 to 5 times weekly for best results over 3 months. Apply at a consistent time, ideally at night, to allow overnight absorption and minimal interference. Expect visible improvement around 12 weeks with consistent topical use and proper scalp care. Complement treatment with a balanced diet and maintain hydration for better hair health. If you experience mild irritation, reduce frequency to 3 times weekly and monitor response. Discontinue immediately if you develop severe irritation or allergic reaction and consult a healthcare professional. Store the bottle at room temperature away from direct sunlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.